Where you going, Joe? Dang. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Oh, freak. We just missed them. That shows how hard it is to find Impreza.
What's up there? We need a yellow light.
Ooh, that goes stop one.
Listen, keep your eye that way too, just in case. I wouldn't run the red light, but not do that.
Not in Cary. Man, that joke ain't going too fast, but he's moving.
I don't even know where that road leads to though.
It leads out to Walnut Street, over there in Crossroads.
Should we try it? Should we go after it? Huh? Should we go after it? Huh? Should we go after it?
Oh boy.
Or that? Huh? What? Oh yeah. You didn't get that joint on video, did you?
I got a little bit of it.
A glimpse of it. It was a Subi on it.
Yeah, Impreza.
We about to be here for a minute.
Heck yeah. Oh my gosh, man.
You still want to go for it? Not me and Charles. Get ready. I don't know if we're gonna be able to find it. All right, let's go. What? Where?
Why you gonna speed up and say I think it's an Evo?
I don't see no Evo.
I see a Hyundai Elantra.
Exactly.
Something with LED lights back there. I can't tell what it is, huh?
I was getting ready to get it with him on this little strip.
Heck yeah.
I see a Volkswagen and hybrid.
Yeah.
Not unless he talk about behind this black Honda behind me. I can't see.
I want to say it looks like a Camaro, actually. Oh no, that's a Charger. Wow. And a red light. There goes his GT.
That's a Charger, fool.
I thought it was Evo by the front grill, bro.
What? That looks nothing like an Evo.
I was trying to tell you we on that 2-lane right there. I was like, this nigga took off with the Evo. I was like,
It was wannabe Evo.
but I'm gonna go up. I'm probably go, come back, and then go that 2-way and then hit back. Don't cut your car off.
Not funny.
Are you still recording this whole thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Uh-oh. That.
Yeah, buddy.
He said what? He didn't even try to go. I was like that.
This ninja.
Like I can go somewhere right now.
Really? keep in the turn lane for?
Turn around.
Okay. Oh, is that what I've shown enough? Aston Martin,
Aston
bro.
Martin.
Aston Martin!
Woo!
Aston Martin!
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh, and a Camaro.
Where?
It's a white one
Oh
up
my
there.
God!
Ew. It's the greatest thing I've seen in my life.
Get that joke when he turns. I'm trying to turn around fast enough so that we can catch him.
I think he's turning that way.
I know. No, he's turning that way. I'm gonna pull a Yui right here.
Okay.
Curb line.
Or no.
Yo.
Dang. Oh yeah, he is turning. Cool beans. Let's see what you gonna do. Yep.
Oh, is he just one of those cruiser people?
Oh yeah, I think so. Oh, that's a 4-door too. Dang. Oh, sadly mistaken.